Welcome to Affliz, the ultimate destination for those aspiring to achieve wealth, luxury, and success through dedication and hard work. Today we're diving into a topic that resonates with many of us: how to turn your passion into a profitable business. If you've ever dreamed of making a living by doing what you love, this video is for you. Let's explore the steps to transform your passion into a thriving business. Number 1. Identify your passion. The first step is to clearly identify your passion. What are you genuinely passionate about? What activities make you lose track of time? It could be anything from cooking, writing, fitness, crafting, to teaching. Understanding your passion is crucial because this will be the foundation of your business. Number 2. Research the market. Once you've identified your passion, research the market to understand the demand for your product or service. Look for potential competitors, analyze their offerings, and identify gaps in the market. This research will help you determine if there's a viable market for your passion and how you can differentiate yourself from the competition. Number 3. Create a business plan. A solid business plan is essential for turning your passion into a profitable venture. Outline your business goals, target audience, marketing strategies, revenue streams, and financial projections. A well-thought-out business plan will guide you through the initial stages and help you stay focused on your objectives. Number 4. Build your brand. Your brand is how you'll present your business to the world. Develop a strong brand identity that reflects your passion and resonates with your target audience. This includes creating a memorable logo, a compelling brand story, and a consistent visual style. Your brand should communicate your values and what makes your business unique. Number 5. Start small and scale up. Start your business on a small scale to test the waters. Offer your product or service to a limited audience and gather feedback. This will help you refine your offerings and make necessary adjustments. As you gain confidence and experience, gradually scale up your operations. Number 6. Leverage online platforms. In today's digital age, online platforms are invaluable for growing your business. Create a professional website, utilize social media, and consider starting a blog or YouTube channel related to your passion. These platforms will help you reach a broader audience, showcase your expertise, and build a community around your brand. Number 7. Network and collaborate. Networking is crucial for business growth. Attend industry events, join online forums, and connect with like-minded individuals. Collaborate with other entrepreneurs, influencers, or brands in your niche. Networking can lead to valuable partnerships, opportunities, and insights that can help your business thrive. Number 8. Focus on customer value. Your business should focus on providing value to your customers. Understand their needs, listen to their feedback, and continuously improve your products or services. Happy customers are likely to become repeat buyers and advocates for your brand, helping you grow through word of mouth and referrals. Number 9. Stay adaptable and resilient. Entrepreneurship is a journey filled with ups and downs. Stay adaptable and open to change. Learn from your mistakes. Be willing to pivot if necessary, and remain resilient in the face of challenges. Your passion and determination will drive you to overcome obstacles and achieve success. Number 10. Invest in continuous learning. Finally, invest in your personal and professional development. Stay updated with industry trends, take courses, attend workshops, and read books related to your passion and business. Continuous learning will help you innovate, stay competitive, and grow your business effectively. These 10 steps we've discussed are your roadmap to success. Turning your passion into a profitable business is a rewarding journey that requires dedication, hard work, and strategic planning. Remember, the road to success is rarely straightforward. There will be challenges and setbacks. However, your passion will be your greatest motivator, driving you to push through obstacles and stay committed to your goals. If you found value in today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are on their journey to affluence. Don't forget to subscribe to Affliz for more inspiring and educational content. Thank you for watching Afflays. Remember, the road to affluence starts with a single step. Keep striving, stay motivated, and together, we'll achieve greatness. See you in the next video.